I just got done doing my makeup. I hope you guys liked that little makeup montage. That will be its own video in I think 2 days, if I'm not mistaken. So I had to include something makeup-y to this iPhone 12 unboxing. I just had to. George got this for me recently and I had no idea he was doing it, but it's finally here. It got here yesterday, but I was super busy yesterday that I never got to unbox my iPhone. This is the iPhone 10 and I've had it for over 2 years now, and there's nothing really wrong with it, but it always feels good to just get a new phone. You know, it's like the best feeling ever. So we're gonna jump straight into it. There's a little pull to open tab. Oof. I'm showing everything that's important. Okay, I'm gonna cut that out. And here is my phone. I'm so excited. Let's just take her out. Whoa, the box is so big, but it's so thin. I don't think an iPhone box has ever been this thin before. That is what it looks like. Oh my god, it looks so dope. And it says iPhone on the side. The box is black. Oh, and I got the gold version. So let's just do a little satisfactory. Whoa. Is that it? Yeah. Oops. Sorry. And that's what it looks like. Ooh, the box is kind of cool. It feels like there's an actual phone on top right here, but there isn't. And then you just lift. I'm so glad. Oh my god, look how beautiful. I don't want to drop it. Oh my god. Oh my god, look how beautiful that looks. Wow, I hope I'm doing it justice. Oh my god. It looks so shiny. It looks like an actual gold brick. Whoa. And it comes with a charger. Before we open that up, I want to check something because I heard that Apple wasn't including chargers anymore. They're not including the actual cube. Is it a different type? George didn't want to tell me anything about it. He unboxed his last night. Whoa, this looks different. This looks like my laptop charger, but this looks the same. It's a USB-C now. Whoa. But they don't include, they don't include the USB-C block. Okay, that's what they meant. They do include the wire. At least they include the wire. But they don't include the block. And there's nothing else in here except for a little sticker that's useless. I never use those stickers. Okay, so now let's peel this back. Oof. Guys. Whoa. Is this a sticker in the back or no? I don't know, but I kind of don't want to take it off. Or is it just frosted like that? I actually have no clue. There it is. There is the iPhone. What iPhone is this? Clearly, I'm not an expert and I have no idea what I'm talking about. I don't even know what phone this is. But look at the sides. Oh, it just looks so gorgeous. On all my iPhones, I keep clear cases because the actual iPhone, what is this? They're just such beauties. You know what I mean? Is this a speaker? What is that? I'm like so amazed. To be honest, I thought I was not gonna like this. I believe it's a little bigger than my current phone, but like not by much. And obviously, instead of 2 cameras, there's now 3 cameras. Maybe I should take this one out. Yes. What iPhone is this?
The new one?
Yeah.
The iPhone 12 Pro Max.
Is that what it's called?
Wow, that's nice.
Isn't that sick?
Oh my goodness. Wow. Hold on, let me get my phone.
Yeah. So this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. What I really liked about the 10 is the back of it. The back of it is kind of shiny. I don't know. I like that so much better than the matte. But George is coming. But the matte looks kind of sick. It looks kind of dope. Against all the shininess all around it, I don't even think you can see it.
Let me see yours. Here's mine. Wow.
Whoa. Mine is shinier.
I like my matte better than your matte.
Yeah. For sure. Look at that.
Look
compared.
At the gold. Gold looks so nice.
Yeah, the gold looks really nice.
Then the blue. The blue navy.
Oof, that blue navy.
Blue. It's Pacific Blue is what it's called, I think.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Careful with the mic.
So nice.
Yeah. Ooh, it looks so good. Yours looks really good.
Yeah, you're right.
I love this color.
Yeah, I think it complements the cameras and stuff. Everything about it, I think, is really nice.
Wow.
The darkness of it.
Yeah.
I mean, this one is sick too.
I love my 10. Like, I think I'm gonna miss it. And it's so light compared to this one. This one is so light.
Really?
This one's more squared, and this one's a little more round. So there is your, oh my phone. My old phone's kind of dirty. So that is the comparison right there. Oh, I love this so much, but this is good. Yeah, okay, so is it time to turn it on?
Turn it on.
This is not a professional unboxing. I have no idea what I'm talking about. Let's see. Ooh, it's on. I feel so scared to drop it. It says hello. Okay, so it says to swipe up, and then I'm gonna choose English, United States. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this phone to sign in and set up. All right, so here it goes. Whoa, that is crazy. Okay, it says unlock to continue. Enter your passcode of your current iPhone. It says setting up iPhone. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. All right, so let's just wait. And then it tells me to set up my Face ID. Okay, I always do this with a full face of makeup. Face ID scan complete. Okay, so I need to go plug both phones in because this one is finishing the transfer and this one is downloading something. So, oh, there's 40 seconds remaining. For sure, right after I'm done filming this video, we're going to Target because we obviously need new USB-C cubes and new phone cases. So that is it for this super quick unboxing of my new iPhone. I am so happy but mostly grateful that George did this for me, and thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.